Good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. I'm back finally home. The microphone is good. Ready to trade with Apex Trader funding accounts. And we're getting some nice direction there on Nasdaq. We've taken these highs, it's true. Right now we're making like some sell. But the reality is that there is this high. I want the market to take, I believe the market wants to take out. This head and shoulder here provided a lot of short opportunity there. So I'm looking at that as a possible short wise direction. I need to just right now to define where was the level I had in mind before. I don't freaking know. I need to put the level. What is it? All charts available. I do believe it was here. No, it was slightly above. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, by the way. If you don't see what I'm doing, it's just because I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. So we came here before, we grabbed these lows, and we right away turned to the other side. That was a beautiful long opportunity here as well. Taking this low out. The next level, if I have to look at something else here, why my Quantaro sometimes it sucks about, okay, can you? Okay, it doesn't want to do it. This one will be, I believe, the next area that we might care, or even this one. This one is more important. This one here. Availability, all charts available. Hello, good morning, man. Morning, guys. Morning, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna put a random stop loss, and on the way we're gonna handle it. We're coming lower there. Would be interesting if we want to grab this hour low before turning higher. I'm looking if we close above, and instead if we come back and we close above right away, I might try a long on it and give it a shot to get handle my trade here, and stop loss will be above here. I mean, main target will be probably somewhere there at these highs. And yeah, 28, still a little bit of time. I'm just looking at the market right now to evaluate what wants to do. Beautiful grab here. So I'm gonna keep this level. Good morning, honey. Honey, 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 honey. So when I look at the 15-minute chart here, what we see is this level was previously high support. Right now was taken out, and I'm looking at if he wants to come back, grab these lows before trying to go for all-time highs. So that would be interesting. We will see, but it seems it's looking for that. Especially these lows, I've taken this one here. This one were not yet touched yet, but let's see. I'm gonna look for longs if we close strongly above this area after we definitely took that. Yeah, just for continuation of this push here. 15 minutes. Market is opening in 20 seconds, guys. Market is opening in 20 seconds. Where's my Trader Pro? I need to check if everything is correctly copy and traded. Let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Yes. All is copy traded. Market is opening in 7. We're closing. We're opening lower than the level. So it looks like it wants to come to this low first. We will evaluate that on the go. Market is opening right now. Wish you the best, guys, and good luck with your trading today. Let's see if the market is gonna be, if the candle will be moving slowly on this beginning. For me, with my quant hour not doing. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Coming back right away. Let's see if it wants to close above this area. Then I might look for longs. At the time, we're gonna wait. Hello, Fate. Guys, I don't know. Instagram is not telling me the real name you had before. So Instagram, sorry, YouTube. So if you're someone probably that you come here before, it's good chance, because Fate maybe is Hope. or someone else. That's the point. Or Fate is a new one here, and I'm just guys. We're looking for. Look at this. The longest seems is coming there. Let's evaluate how this 5 minutes candle closes, and if it closes strong above the level, I might be aggressive on it. Take for a long and get out myself if we see a candle closing lower this area. Until then, let it do what it wants to do. I need this level everywhere in my charts. Look at that beautiful push there, and we're just starting right now. That 1 hour candle is turning, 30 minutes there, pushing. Oh, like, wow. It's really pushing really very nicely strong. It's gonna be interesting if it's gonna be like yesterday where we don't take anything. We are literally just pushing again. Oh my god, yeah. I'm sorry, ricordi di dici quanto contratti mettere. Yeah, can you see here? You can see here. Look at this. Look first. Look at. Oh my god, man! That's huge push. Yeah, that's no trade for me, guys. This thing is pushing without having give us an opportunity. But qua, vedi qua, messo per ora 5, li vedrai cambiare 4, 3, 2. E il contratto MNQ, MNQ, because I'm gonna trade micros. But let's see how it evolves. Right now it's already taking these highs. Sucks, because this is what I've been already managing position side, but let's see. Look at that. Took this little double top here, coming back. Gonna wait. There is no rush. Let the market do what it wants to do, and we're gonna find one entry that is right for us. Tuesday, Thursday. Today is Thursday. Yeah, today's Thursday. We had PPI. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, we had PPI at 8.5. That's why this push, I guess. That makes sense. And yeah, at 10 a.m. we have some news as well. So let's remember that business investors, home build confidence in the index. So we have some news at 10 a.m. too. Right now we're pushing. If this candle closes quite strongly, give me a little bit of a pullback and retest of this area, I would be happy. It's the only thing I'm not happy is that it already took these highs. That's the only things I'm not happy, but the highs here are still interesting. Candle that the 1 hour is turned from red to green. How are you guys? I'm good. What about you guys? I hope you're doing well. Let's see how it evolves. This is the highs that it's looking for it to take out, but market right now is struggling there around this 25,100, creating right now as well a double kind of, no, not really a double top, but let's wait 30 seconds. Candle closing in now, right now, for the 5 minutes one. Let's see how it evolves. If it wants to give me a week first, will be nice. It's looking for me that could be a nice long here. The only thing is that these freaking 30 minutes there turning, with the fact that we took already the highs, that kind of, that's why I'm not gonna take long right away. If this thing turns green, I think I'm gonna go for long. Good luck, Mufti. Good luck to you. That's these highs that we were taking before, but I'm liking the fact that we're closing strong above. I'm gonna go for it, guys. I'm gonna put there a long. If we turn this candle to green, I will be happy to take it. I'm short at 85. Honestly, the short makes sense, because we've taken these highs, but I do like that we have taken before some nice highs there. Gonna give it the stop loss will be the same 5 minutes low. If we turn these 5 minutes, if we don't, there is no trade then. Wish you luck. I wish you the best, my friend. I wish you the best. The 15 minutes is struggling to go above. That our candle is turning. Oh, let me remove the order, guys. That our candle is turning ugly as hell. 30 minutes candle. Our candle is still fine. Yeah, it looks like a failed breakout, to be honest. The 30 minutes is ugly as hell. We made a huge wick here. It looks like it wants to come back lower to grab some more lows before trying to go above again. Let's see if this wick is gonna be huge. If this wick is huge like that one, I will be still in for it. That is huge wick. If this 5 minutes like turns with a huge wick like that, but no, we don't need to press any freaking trades. I'm gonna leave it, guys. I'm gonna leave it and see what wants to do in the next minute. How are you, everyone, guys? I'm back home finally. Back home at my desk, looking at this market with you in a different approach. Is it turning? Wow, that would be insane, guys. No, probably I'm gonna try it, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. If it turns that candle red to green, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it 4 micros. Stopped out the break even. It's a good break even, my friend. We might get filled right now. This candle turning the other side. A lot of fight there. A lot of fight. If this candle closes red, I'm out. I'm not gonna take it. I just want this candle to turn green. And I think I'm gonna wait for this 50. If this one does not turn right now in the next 30 seconds, like it's trying to do right now, then I'm gonna wait for the 15 minutes. Can you see the time? Yes, a little bit here on the bottom. Okay, 10 seconds there. Out. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see if it wants to hold this level. And it doesn't want to do it. We might even look for a quick short, huh? We might even look for a quick short to grab these lows, guys. I'm gonna do that. It's crazy that I turned the table, but right now that we are closing, I will take that short, guys. And I'm gonna aim for these lows here. I'm gonna manage my trade here on the bottom. It sounds crazy that I turn it quick, but how it's evolving right now, it is the way to do it. If we break these lows, right now I'm gonna manage the trade. Okay, I'm gonna manage my trade there in break even. Hey, Paul. Looking, if he wants to come back to these lows. Candle turned the 30 minutes ugly candle as hell. Let's see if it wants to give us a little bit more of a push there. More than 2 trades? No, 2 trades I think is gonna, in the New York session, is always good to keep it myself on 2 trades, no matter what. Even if right now it's gonna be a bit harder to take 2 trades, I believe. So right now we're gonna leave it like that. I like it, the stop loss in break even, especially because we already take it slow. And if it doesn't wanna right now break and continue lower, then it's not interesting for me. So even right now, I'm already okay with this trade. Can I trade off stream? I can trade outside my working hours. So London session is the morning. I can trade that one. That's why you saw a trade before in my PNL. Okay, stop out in break even, guys. That's why you saw a PNL before. It's just because I tried to take a trade this morning in gold. It did not work out. Nothing, guys, there. Oh, it was interesting. An interesting turn of the table, but I like the trade. Could have looked for only these lows as a take profit. Yes. Could have done it. Yes, I could have done that. But I was looking for the next low, to be honest. But great anyway, great read. Great management of the fact that the moment we take these lows, you have to be out. So let's see on the next one. Great. I'm very happy with this. 100. By the way, we did up to $150 there in profit on this trade. That's not bad at all, to be honest. With the right, maybe a few more contracts, because it was an aggressive one, risking anywhere above the wick, the 5 minutes wick. That would have been a really trade. That's great. Yeah, right now, yes. Bravo, now it's getting bad. It's bad because now it's taking these things. It already took as well before this low. So right now it's not a great place to trade, to be honest. Let's check gold. Gold is just flying, guys. This is the long we took this morning, especially because these 5 minutes here turn took even more lows. And in the 50 minutes time frame, it was even better because in the 50 minutes, let me see if I find it. Yeah, the 50 minutes matched these 5 minutes taking the previous low, and it was a continuation for these highs, or even these highs. It came right away after this high here was management side, could reject. It rejected, come back, took the new lows, the previous lows, more liquidity, and after just grabbing the liquidity, it just skyrocketed to the high. So right now there's nothing in gold. Literally nothing in gold. I'm gonna leave MQ right now. Let it do what it wants to do right now. Market is just playing with chopping around, so let's leave it there. Look at these highs coming there. The highs came out a bit after taking just the day of the low of the New York. We've taken the previous 15 minutes. Yeah, with the previous 15 minutes, it was already taken out from the opening. So yeah, no, it's not that yeah, that's it. Not much to do right now that we've taken these highs. We will see if something else pops out, but we'll leave it there. We leave it there. We leave it there. Interesting, by the way. Rejecting, we took a highs. But it's mostly about liquidity grab, Nick. So there is mostly main concept is liquidity grab and closure above the level, and especially taking trades on support area or resistance. So if before, sometimes I was chasing along just because I was like, let me take along this one. It took these lows. Already taking it from here would be already too aggressive on against a resistance. But mostly is using higher time frame, and it depends on the situation. Using higher time frame, you look at previous lows getting taken, and especially the best are double top, double bottom. It's like this case here. What we see here is that a lot of wicks. So a lot of people were shorting here, and none of this wick as well came previously in this 50-minute chart to grab the previous one. So here a lot of people are shorting, none of them got liquidated, and that's it. The market is looking to grab them, but the best way to enter is to find a liquidity grab, gets taken out. For example, let's say this case here, it pushed, it rejected. So these people here are shorting again, betting on the fact that this short is strong, probably having their stop loss still again above here, getting shorted, and you find a possible place to get grab. They will, liquidity will be grabbed more, and you try to go against these people that were shorting here. It's mostly the strategy is finding people to get stopped out, where people are going for the stop loss. I mean, it's something that we have already spoke before, Nick, me and you, and I guess Mufti, I don't remember right now. So right now we've grabbed these lows. All these people that were freaking short, now they got stopped out, and the market is going in that direction. What right now is wants to do is maybe look for the next liquidity. And what is the next liquidity? It can be this low here. This low did not take this low, and neither this low. So we have a low that was not taken by none of these. So a lot of liquidity here. All these people are buying to go for all-time highs. Right now, probably they will get stopped out very soon. Again, this is possible trade for me, guys, because the candle is closing in 24 seconds. I might be aggressive in it because that before we grab these things here, I might look for a short. Yes. Closing right now. I'm gonna get in. Oh, with one contract only. What the heck? I got in with one contract. I got in with one contract. The low, this one low. I got in with one contract. You piece of. I'm gonna get out from that. We're almost at the low. I had the right idea. I hate these of freak. That's why I'm so used to take one contract that I forgot to. I don't know what happened. Because I change. Let me see. Every time I change this, it resets. Yes, it resets. Okay, now I understood. Because I never do that often. I never do that often. So, okay, we'll leave it there. That was a quick trade. Not going for like a bet that it's gonna break, but we got close to it. I'm out. Let's wait for the 50 minutes candle. It's gonna close soon. And we might even take another short because we didn't grab them. We might take even another short. I'm gonna wait for this 50 minutes candle to close. We might grab another, come back, retest, and go lower, and I'll be happy to take it. But yeah, that was a beautiful quick trade. It happened so quick. What would have been the stop loss in this case is any closure above this level. Any closure above this level, I would have called myself out. If it comes back, closes above, I'm out. Weak, I'm still in, but definitely I'm gonna be careful around it because I cannot have a stop loss here. Would have been like too much. But any closure above, I'm out. I'm gonna wait. The previous 1 hour low is there. Yeah, no, it's true, Nick. It's true. Do you remember? Because I remember we spoke about that. How to aim for people getting stopped out. And Aaron does that. Aaron does only that kind of analysis right now. What we are creating right now. All these people are buying right now, are buying because they're thinking to put their stop loss here below. And they will look for a continuation higher. So oh my God, sorry. So they're looking for this as a buying support. The moment we find a liquidity grab or something that confirms us that we have a rejection of this level, like for example, a fake out here of this level, we can still aim for a short here. If you stand with answer, thank you so much. Kirk doesn't. Yeah, it is, Nick. I'm so happy for how I'm trading right now. Alpha out 54 and Alpha 37. Alpha 50. You taken before at 81. Oh, you took it. You've done it even. To be honest, I agree with that because I signed this level here. Resistance, support. A lot of weeks here that we broke it. The moment we closed below this here, I believe it was a good short already. It's just this 5 minutes candle it's huge. If it was closing somewhere here, it would be like, I will take a short, handle it somewhere here. So if we come here, probably I will move my stop loss to break even. But right now, it just came out too fast. But that is a great short. I agree with that. And then you took profit, you said 54 and 37, beautiful, man, at these lows. I see. I'm going to look right now to see what he wants to do. If it wants to grab these 5 minutes and come back and close again strong below, I might try it again. It's a bit aggressive, but I'm down for it. We have not taken down this previous hour low. We are creating an important double bottom there in the hour chart, making it very interesting on people to get grabbed. Oh my God, it's a little too much to see. But this is the hour chart. We have this low and this low. None of them were grabbed. Even these two low were not grabbed. Previous low here were not grabbed. So I can be, these two for sure right now were forming, especially because we've taken this high. It's really the fact that we've taken these highs. All these people that were aiming for that long, they have the stop loss here or here. So this aim will be the first one. Trap. If you get an angle move fraud and it falls, jump in free in move fraud and it falls, jump in for the stops. If you get an aggro move, algorithmic move, and first jump in for the stop. Trying to understand what you say there. Trying to. My English is not good. My English is not good. I'm Moroccan. I'm Moroccan. So let's see how this 5 minutes candle evolve. Does it want to fake out people? especially this area here, guys. I'm looking at this area. These 5 minutes is gonna be crucial to know. If it fakes out and come back, that's short. My English, you better say that. Guys, I have to go to the toilet, I'm dying. Coming back. I turn off the camera because I want to make you see these things, guys. Coming back. I'm back. I'm back. Look at that 5 minutes candle, guys. That's looking beautiful, guys. About 3 minutes for this candle to close. You can, I don't want to be like, you can try to take a short no matter what. The candle is not yet closed. I prefer the candle close. I prefer even just to enter here as a short and give myself a little bit of a room than I think guessing right now if the candle will close lower or not. News in 3 minutes. Oh, that's a good point. That's a freaking good point. We have news in 3 minutes. Perfect for us to see if this candle is gonna close. Look at that. You try to anticipate and then never know. Even better because that's gonna be 15 minutes. If the new 15 minutes open goes up, I'm happy to short that 15 minutes there. Let's don't make the mistake I did before with the contracts. What is the 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, guys, for the next trade. No, I don't. He does not do ICT stuff 100%. He does not support that kind of, that person at least. I cannot say about concept of ICT because I never even learned. The only things I know about ICT concept is fair value gap or stuff and bullshit like that. But I never checked the ICT stuff to comment about it, to be honest. Never check. I swear to you, for me, I cannot learn the concept of someone that is like a fake person like him. Yeah. ICT concept, ITC, that's it. ICT concept is just concept that were there before. Change the name, put them in a beautiful selling story, and it's like, these are my concepts. Yo, the heck? Bullshit. So much shoppiness, guys. Look at this isn't tradable, these things. This isn't tradable. We're really aiming for, the only things I see is this double bottom here, and we have it right now with the hour chart. Double bottom in the hour chart. But right now, leave it 13 seconds right now. I mean, the fact you use ICT concept is the same as you're probably using previous concept that they read. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Let's see if it wants to give me a push right now. First, I will be happy to take a short, guys. I will take it. If it come back right now, I will take the short. If this 15 minutes candle come lower, I'm looking at the candles. Yes, I'm happy to take the short. Especially on the 15-minute chart, I will give it myself this week here. If it comes back, any week here, it's good. And we'll aim again for the low. News. No, I saw the news. That's what I'm just. That's right now. Let's see. And let's see if we're gonna get it done. I'm short. I believe I'm short. Let's see how it goes, guys. Looking for these lows of the day, the double bottom there in the hour chart will be so interesting to grab. Hopefully we grab it. If not, we accept the loss, and the loss is not bad. Is $160 loss. $160 loss. That's a good loss. And this will be my last trade as well, because this market is not looking sexy as hell. Looking for the lows of the day as this double bottom created in the hour chart. It's trying to sell off. It's trying to sell off. Come on, we just need that acceleration, and right now it's for not really forming it. No, this I'm happy with this short. On the 50-minute chart is even more beautiful, but if I get stopped out, peace and love. But on the 50-minute chart is more beautiful. Because of this, look at this massive wick taken below. We come lower, but we can grab anything here and here. So I'm looking for that. Maybe too aggressive because we already grabbed this one, but let's see. I'm gonna move to the 50-minute chart so I don't get, 5 minutes, emotional 5 minutes. So I will move to this 50 minutes. That it does not even look that much different from the 5 minutes, to be honest. A lot of fighting there. These are bigger support here. Now I notice the support here. Look at that. Can we continue lower? Okay, we're breaking it. Okay, I'm gonna manage definitely right now. Stop loss in break even. If we reject right now, I'm gonna even buy one contract there. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna buy one contract. What the heck is doing it right now? So weird what is doing that right now there, the market, the freaking candles. Okay, we're coming back already. I don't have to use the bracket order when I'm trying to remove some contracts. That's what I'm doing right now. Probably we're gonna get moved in break even again, and I'm happy to get out from these things. No matter what, break even, that's fine. Nothing is running. Yeah, what the heck is still running there? Okay, one I made profit there without realizing it. Therefore, guys, market is choppy as hell anyway. What we've taken as well, what was difficult anyway to take. Choppy as hell. Come back again lower here and find again support. We come bouncing back. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna take a trade right now anymore. The short attempt here was right. I did a mistake of taking it with one. No, here, sorry. The short attempt here was right. One contract. It's gone nowhere. Yeah, look at this. Stop loss in break even was perfect. let it do what it wants to do. Beautiful short here. I did a mistake of taking with only one contract. Could have been like a $200 win or $150 win. I don't remember, whatever contract size I would have selected here. $225 win should have been. I did a mistake of selecting one contract. Peace and love. Here, good, at least one contract out. Algos, let them play, a lot of choppiness. The fact of honestly leaving myself in a green side because I made $1,500 today on a day that is so choppy. It's I will say crazy good. I'm gonna take this as huge win. Did I miss this one? Yeah, it's mistakes of not. I didn't know that by changing these, by changing instrument, these resets, the quantities resets. I need to look at where I can make it fix, but it's better don't do that, because if one day I change to mini and I put 4 minis, not good. But overall, so much choppiness. It's not the same as yesterday. So if we go back at yesterday, guys, and how much was so clean yesterday, it was so interesting. Yesterday we had this. We started the market coming lower, right? We kind of little bit took this previous high here, but the real high was here. Double top, we shorted it previously. More people that were shorting again with their stop loss above here. So to get these people that shorting here, stopped out, we need some more liquidity grab, right? So we need maybe this low to be taken or more lows to be taken depending on the higher time frame. The moment we've taken some lows and we come back right away strong in closing above yesterday, we didn't take anything because we were still kind of using the old strategy. And afterwards, we really flew away above above these highs here. We've taken these highs. This was much more cleaner as a price action than today. Today is horrible. Do I still believe we're gonna take these lows? Well, I believe so. We created a double bottom on the 2 hour. Still we have a double bottom here on the hour again. I do still believe we want to grab lows, even before trying to go highs, after especially taking these highs here. If we want to go for a higher high, especially after liquidating so many people, it maybe wants to grab some more lows. Let them play with this algorithm for us. We're gonna let it go whatever it wants to do today, and we're happy with it today. I'm very, very happy. Easily a possible $200, $250 day. Yes, but overall very happy with it. Very, very, very happy with it. We managed as well right in both case scenario. Moving the stop loss here to break even, it skyrocket. Moving the stop loss here in break even, it would have stopped me out because my stop loss was somewhere here. So it would have stopped me out. So overall, we say it's a win. And the fact is that this was one, I don't remember. Did I take this one with the right amount of contracts? Yes, this one was the right amount of contracts. It took this loss, it came back, stopped me out in break even. Yeah. How was it today, guys? How was for you? Fayaz, Nick, Vehicle Enthusiastic, Wakey, Kirk, Muhammad, Abdel, Red One, Fate, on a free. How was today for you guys? How was today for you, beautiful people? Yeah, true. Nick, you took an amazing shot before. You took an amazing shot even from here. That was a beautiful shot. You had. That's the things of. To be honest, your short was beautiful. If the candle was closing somewhere here, I would have probably taken it. I think it's something I'm gonna ask. Let me put it right now. on the notes, because it's something I want to ask in the next class I will have with him. A candle that breaks the level after liquidating and skyrocketing to the direction. Is it to take on stake or just? I know he's more like a nah, I already know the answer. Wait for closure. Aaron is a closing candle guy. He likes to wait for the candle to close. Look at that. Again, we grabbed some more on the 5 minutes, but the 5 minutes they're not the best to look at the 5 minutes. That's why when I start to handle this trade, I use the 50 minutes, because the 50 minutes had better way. I see. I know, but to be honest, you've done right. It was beautiful, man. We grabbed these things and we even came back lower these things here. If we grab this one and we were still inside this area, then I would be like, my personal opinion, very aggressive. But then when we come back lower this level, wow, there is space to come back here and space to come back here even more. And right now it's go lower. Yeah, more likely I believe it will go down. It needs to grab some lows before going higher for this. Let's check gold, guys. Let's check gold. Something in gold is happening? Nothing in gold is happening. We've taken look at an example of a level here. This isn't the 5 minutes, so it's not even the best. This is not the best, but you can see it. People, oh my god, people are shorting here, shorting here. Trying to time for the market highs, come back, grab this previous low, and candle right away above this support area here after we grab these people. And this is like a nice buy if the candle was closing somewhere interesting. But right now when it closes on a freaking all-time high, how are you gonna freaking take that shit? Not me, not freaking me. I'm not gonna take that. But yeah, that's what happened there. Also, this one is another one. It's more the 55 minutes is a bit more shit to put the levels. That's why I prefer the 50 minutes, because the 50 minutes would put my levels somewhere here. Then I will look for a candle to close above. And right now, for example, this one closed above the level. After this one, make how you call this, star candle, whatever. This one is a beautiful candle. Took the previous low. It closed, pushed back, closed, closing above or near the level. Next 5 minutes closing above. That's a beautiful entry candle here. Even if you wait for a 15 minutes like a wick lower and grab, this is a beautiful one. Stop loss below if you want to be aggressive and aim for the highs. That's it. That's mostly the teaching, right? This is the area we came lower, grabbed some more lows, we're closing above, and you aim for that long. This one you will have not getting stopped out, and even if you get stopped out, you aim for, you enter the second time and you go for it, and that's a beautiful trade. Look at that! Oh, look at that! We took them. We took the lows. We took the lows. It came out. It took a little bit more of time. We got stopped out. Like here, again, stopped out in break even, came back, grabbed some more, closed the 5 minutes. You can take again the short. But for me, I'm done. I've taken probably 3 trades here. This one, I took freaking 1 contract. This 2 break even. I'm out. I don't want to over trade. Because today is choppy as hell. But this was an example, right? Stopped out people. I stopped out myself in break even, so I don't have anything to worry. And the candle closed lower again after liquidating other people on the 5 minutes chart at least. And the 50 minutes is still red. The 50 minutes still red. It closed red. And even better, this one is the new 50 minutes candle. Come and yes, come, take the highs and turn lower to the lows. That's beautiful. That's freaking beautiful, by the way. ugly price action. That's it. This is now this double bottom has been taken. What can happen right now? Because right now you've taken this double anything. We have taken this double bottom here in the hour chart. If the hour chart starts to close above again this level here, then you might look for longs again to the highs. But very aggressive. Too many things happening. I will not take it. But this is, look at this. We spoke about double bottom of the 2 hours candle. This is 1 hour low. This is the second hour candle. Made it a beautiful double bottom there. And look at the market. After we came here, it came to grab these 2 hours. We close, and right now we're reversing. Good chance for the next liquidity, where will it be? Next liquidity, I think the next liquidity here, that makes sense. Here, not really this week. This is 5 minute, 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart for liquidity is not the best. The high, you go back to the highs, I guess, especially if you close above. If you close above again this area here, if this 5 minutes candle closes above, that can be aggressive long. But the fact is that this was a liquidity grab. It's not really a double top or anything. So for me, I guess the best will be these things to come here, come back, then give you an entry to aim for this double top like that, something like that. But I'll leave it there. Yeah, these are the days where everyone gets destroyed. Yeah, Nick, that is something that I really work on. I have to work on that, of what is early, right? Honestly, here, this is a 5-minute chart. We come back, we grabbed, we closed. Can you enter at the moment this 5 minutes candle closed above the level and aim? I guess you can have it that 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. Ah, that's a beautiful one. Yeah. That's a beautiful one there. Look at this now. Really, the aim. Oh, we're even closing in the 3-minute chart here, even above. So you can even aim for these 98 100s. That's a beautiful risk reward there. Yeah. I see that one there. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. La, la. Oh, and in a way that all the bodies close above. One thing I like draw a trend line from the 930 body low, and in a way that all the bodies close above. Yeah, draw a trend line from the 930 body. You mean something like that? This is the first. No, this is the first one. So something like this. Something like this, event? Oh, something body, something like this. Low. Something like this. Market needs a Trump tweet. Oh, look at my guys. This is freaking. I'm happy that we came out in green, guys. This is a day where it gets people get destroyed. Candle closing there on the 5 minutes. Nah, it's not with a wick. Not unlike. Don't like that. I don't like that. Even if this one can be. Nah, I'm done with it. I'm done. Beautiful. I'm gonna give myself. I'm gonna give myself an 8 out of 10 of trading. The only mistake I give myself is the fact that here was a right short, and I messed up with the amount of contracts. Could have been a $200 a day on this account, so, and $400 on the main accounts. I give myself a very good vote on this one. I managed well. There was a second opportunity to enter short here and handle it to the lows again, but I really took my shots, and I don't want to overtrade, taking shots and shots and shots and shots. Pam, 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 pam. After 2 or 3, my gun is over. What a choppy day, right, Mufti? That's choppy day. Somehow I got out green. Nick is green. Yeah, it's not the same as, like we said, it's not the same as yesterday. Yesterday was insane. Yesterday was this the price action. Boom, boom. You took a short, next liquidity level. You took a long, next liquidity level, and you were out. Today, it's really good that we are here, not blowing accounts. The 15 minutes range, I agree with Nick Mohammed. It's a range that, or you're outside of it and you're finding a direction, or you're inside of it and it's a piece of crap of price action. Like right now, the 15 minutes range, what is it? Is this highs? Yes. Is this high here? I do believe. No, bullshit. Is this high to this low? Right? Yes. This is the 50 minutes range. Look at this. We wicked below, we come back inside. We wicked above, we come back inside. So we're all inside the 50 minutes range. Yeah, leave it there. Leave it there. You don't have to fight this shit, guys. If you don't wanna, don't take this shit. So do you see? You're inside the 50 minutes range, and that's why as well, I guess we were trading a lot the 50 minutes candles before. Many people have as a strategy, the moment you close a candle above, they take long because it's a confirmation that now they are outside the choppiness. But look at this beautiful night pushing above. After we took these lows, you know what? Let's see what's gonna aim. But I managed to be green somehow. Yeah, I could even be bigger green, but I never went to big drawdown at all. The only thing sometimes it happened that it tweaked here, like. I think I had for 5 contracts, so it tweaked like $100. I was risking $160 and aiming for 300, almost $400 there. I was aiming for that. Even these lows here, I was aiming for that $350, and I was risking, I think it was somewhere here, $160, $70. Was a good risk reward there on all. Oh my God, we're aiming for these highs, guys. I think that's the beauty of right now, how I read the market, how we came back low and we grabbed this double bottom, double bottom there on the hour chart. Beautiful. But it was hard today, to be honest. It was freaking hard. Very, very hard. Guys, today is the last day of the 80% off with Apex. If you're thinking to use Apex and $85 lifetime fee, I really don't know if there's gonna be a new promotion. People always ask me, when gonna be the last promotion? You work for Apex? Yeah, I work for Apex. I don't know these things. I don't know when it's gonna be the next promotion. Apex does promotions, so I guess there will be a new one later on, but the timeline is unaware for me. You know what, Mohammed, and you know what made me think about this? Made me think somewhere, I read an article where they put very smart people in trading and put very dumb people in trading. Who were profitable? The dumb people. Dumb, no, I don't want to insult saying that they were dumb, but in a way that they were people with mathematics background and everything, that they were calculating stuff and right and left, trying to beat the market because they were thinking they were better than the market. And they were losing against people that were just following the strategy without thinking. I read somewhere, there's an article somewhere here, but it's the reality in trading. No, I do agree with that, Mohammed. It's not to insult anyone here. Huh? It's just that sometimes we complicate our life on too much knowledge. Market love intelligent people, and definitely, I mean, I didn't want to insult anyone, of course. I didn't want to insult you, Mohammed. Trading is the worst part of probabilities. It is. I fucking hated probabilities, man. Statistic at university was an exam that was, I suffered so much to pass. Statistic, my God. And it was my last exam for my bachelor. It was my last exam. I remember. The professor was like, why you didn't answer to this question? Because I didn't have an answer for it. I told him, yo, I don't know, I'm so tired, this is my last exam. I gave him this sentence so to be like, please just let me pass. It was like, yeah, go away, thank you. That's how I pass statistic. Guys, thank you so much for coming as always. See you tomorrow. Beautiful trading today. We got out green, to be honest. I would say it's a big win. Could have done better. Yes, we could have been better. Could have been worse. I'm adapting. That's the point. I'm adapting to this new way of trading. Let me do something. Let me remove levels so that tomorrow and later I can start clean again. And put this one at the highs. That's fine. And I will keep it clean so that later on, when I look at this chart, I don't have the levels of before, and I can put, for example, this can be a new level, and drop this one, put a new one lower. So, and that's what as well I found out with trading with Alon's is less levels you put, better it is. Then it starts to get crazy. Guys, love you all. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful day. Thank you, everyone, for real.